What do you think could get in your way of earning more income? One of the things that's really important to understand is what I call our neuromechanics. How does our brain work? Do you know what a governor is? I want you to think about this for just a moment. Imagine you have a Lamborghini or a Ferrari or a Rolls Royce or whatever your favorite high-end car is. And let's say that car can go 200 miles an hour. If there's a governor on the car, then even though the car can go 200 miles per hour, a governor stops the car at, let's say, 100 miles an hour. So the car has the capacity and the ability to go faster, but if there's a governor on it, then it will not go any faster than the settings. In essence, the ability to go faster is locked. Well, when we talk about, unlocking your brain to unlock your income, is it possible that you, me, and everybody has a governor on how much they're currently making, even though the ability to earn more is there?